Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're on page 263. Page 263. And our objective today says, today I will solve word problems with an unknown addend. So our unknown addend. And remember, an addend is one of the numbers that we add together to get our sum. So if I said 2 plus 3 equals 5, remember those are our addends. Our addends are the numbers we add together. So today we have an unknown one. We have one that's missing. Okay, so our vocabulary is the same that we had in yesterday's video, so we're going to just look today at our steps. It says we're going to listen carefully to the word problem. So we really have to listen to all the parts of the word problem. Then we're going to record the equation with the unknown. Now, remember the unknown, this unknown, sometimes it could be a letter, or sometimes our unknown could be a shape. Sometimes we use a letter or a shape for our unknown, okay? And then we're going to solve for the unknown using our number bonds. These are our number bonds. We're going to use that. And then we're going to record our unknown. Okay, so boys and girls, I'm going to get started and show you mine. Here is my first problem. And it says, Andy has 6 books. Savannah also has some books. All together, they have 12 books. How many books does Savannah have? Okay, so what do I know? I know Andy has 6 books. So we're told one of our addends is 6. One of my addends is 6. But then it says Savannah has some books. Some. I don't know. That's my unknown. I don't know what number that is. They're using B as my unknown. So we're going to say, we don't know what B is. B's are unknown. Andy has 6, Savannah has some. And then it says all together. That's my adding clue word. That tells me I'm going to be adding. All together, they have 12 books. So I know the sum is 12. The sum is 12. So Andy's books, which is 6, plus Savannah's books, which is unknown or B, together equals 12 books. So we have to figure out what goes in the unknown to make this true. So I'm going to use my counting on strategy. I'm going to say 6 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many did I need to add or count on to get to 12? I added or counted on 6. So my unknown addend is 6 because 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 gets me my whole or my sum of 12. Okay, let's look at my next one. It says, in a basket, there are some apples and 5 oranges. So in a basket, there are some apples and 5 oranges. In all, there are 8 pieces of fruit. How many apples are in the fruit basket? Okay, so it says in a basket there are some apples. We don't know how many some are. It could be anything. That's our unknown. And they're using a star for our unknown. So that's my first part, is I don't know what that is. So I don't know what my some apples is. So I'm going to use a star to say, I don't know what number to use yet. So it says in a basket there are some apples and 5 oranges. The other part is 5 oranges. I know there's 5. And then it says in all, that's my adding clue word, there's 8 pieces of fruit. So total, my whole is the basket has 8 pieces of fruit in it. So it has some apples plus 5 oranges equals 8 pieces of fruit, because this is I'm going to add my 2 parts to get to my whole. So what has to go here to get to 8? Well, let's do our count on. I have 5, 6, 7, 8. How many more did I need to add? 3. So my star, or my unknown, is 3, which means 3 apples plus 5 oranges equals 8 pieces of fruit. Okay, let's try some of these together, boys and girls. We are on page 264. Page 264. And our first question says, Juan has 6 balls. He finds more balls. Now he has 9 balls. How many balls did he find? Okay, let's read this again. It says Juan has 6 balls. So we know one of the parts. We know he has 6. But then it says so we know he has 6, but then it says he finds more. We don't know how many more. They don't tell us how many more. This is our unknown, boys and girls. And what symbol are they using? They're using a colored in circle. So that's our other part. We don't know what it is yet. So he has 6 and he finds more. And then it says now he has 9. So now he has a total of 9. That's how many he has with 6 plus finding more. He has 9. Okay, so our second addend is missing. So let's use our count on strategy. If I have 6, what do I need to add to get to 9? So 6, 7, 8, 9. I needed to add 3 more. So our unknown addend is 3. Okay, let's look at one more, boys and girls. Number 2 says, there are some brown horses running. Some. 6 black horses join them. Now there are 18 horses running. How many brown horses are running? Okay, so let's look at this. It says there are some brown horses running. Some. We don't know. That's our unknown. We don't know what that is. And they're using H as their symbol. So there's some horses. That's our first part. We don't know what it is. And then it says 6 black horses join them. So that's our other part. So some brown plus 6 black. And then it says there's 18 horses running. So some brown plus 6 black equal 18 total. Okay, so let's use our count on strategy and see how many brown there are. So if we have 6 black, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Wow, I had to add a lot more. How many did I add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There must be 12 brown horses and 6 black horses to equal 18 horses. So our brown horses is 12. Okay, boys and girls, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.